Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. May is here, and it's the perfect time to get your Hyundai ready for wherever the road takes you at Conicelli Hyundai Service Center. Keep your vehicle running at the best with an oil change and tire rotation for just $74.95. Essential maintenance that helps protect your engine and extend the life of your tires. Take advantage of our spring Spend and Save event and get up to $150 off same-day service. It makes it easier than ever to handle everything your vehicle needs in one visit. And when it comes to safety, we got you covered. Don't wait. Enjoy $25 off front and/or rear brake service so you can drive with convenience all month long. Schedule your service today at conicelliservice.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.